Step into a world of modern minimalism, where clean lines and natural light create a haven of serenity. This stunning house is a testament to the power of simplicity, boasting a unique design that seamlessly blends with its lush surroundings. The house's exterior stuns with its bold, geometric form. Exposed concrete walls, their surface rippling with a subtle texture, create a sense of strength and permanence. Large glass openings act as portals, blurring the lines between the interior and the vibrant garden that surrounds it. As we enter, we're greeted by a breathtaking sense of openness. Natural light floods the space, washing over the clean lines and minimalist furnishings. Skylights strategically placed throughout the house add another dimension of light, creating a dynamic interplay of shadows and illumination. The expansive windows aren't just for aesthetics, they connect the living space with the verdant outdoors. Lush greenery peeks in, blurring the boundaries and creating a sense of tranquility. The upper level, cleverly set back from the main floor, adds a touch of asymmetry while maintaining the overall minimalist aesthetic. A balcony overlooking the living area provides a private haven for quiet contemplation. Stepping outside, we find ourselves immersed in a meticulously designed garden. Lush greenery and strategically placed plants create a peaceful oasis, further enhancing the connection between the house and nature. As the sun sets, the house takes on a warm glow. The interplay of natural light with the exposed concrete creates a calming ambience, perfect for unwinding and recharging. This minimalist haven is a testament to the power of simplicity, proving that true luxury lies in creating a space that fosters serenity and connection with nature. We leave you with a sense of peace and tranquility, inspired by the beauty of this minimalist masterpiece. Craving a space that fosters serenity and connection with nature? Look no further than this minimalist living room, designed to evoke a sense of tranquility and flow. Imagine waking up to a living room bathed in natural light. Here, floor-to-ceiling glass walls blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, bringing the beauty of your garden right into your living space. The exposed concrete walls add a touch of industrial chic, creating a clean and modern aesthetic. But don't worry, this space is far from cold. The built-in concrete furniture provides a sense of permanence and grounding, while the warm wooden accents offer a touch of natural warmth. These carefully chosen wooden elements add a touch of organic beauty and complement the natural light streaming in. Step outside onto the balcony or patio, and lose yourself in the tranquility of your private oasis. This seamless connection between the living room and the garden creates a truly immersive experience. Every detail in this minimalist haven is meticulously crafted to promote relaxation. Whether it's the gentle murmur of a water feature, the soft glow of strategically placed lighting, or the calming effect of natural materials, this space is an invitation to unwind and de-stress. Imagine curling up with a good book on the plush rug, enjoying a cup of coffee while basking in the morning sun, or simply gazing out at the lush greenery as the day fades away. This minimalist living room with floor-to-ceiling glass walls is a testament to the power of simplicity and the beauty of connecting with nature. It's a space that inspires peace, fosters creativity, and allows you to truly reconnect with yourself. Step inside and discover a space that seamlessly blends the beauty of nature with the clean lines of contemporary architecture. This stunning double-height courtyard is a masterpiece of light and openness. Exposed concrete walls create a cool, industrial backdrop, while a dramatic circular skylight bathes the space in serene natural light. Look closer, and you'll find a cast concrete coffee bar counter, its smooth texture a counterpoint to the surrounding greenery. It's the perfect spot to start your day with a cup of coffee, invigorated by the fresh air and natural light filtering through the skylight. But the true magic unfolds on the lush garden deck. Here, nature takes center stage. Step out onto the cool, inviting space and feel the soft grass beneath your feet. Breathe in the aroma of fresh plants and lose yourself in the calming sound of birdsong. A large glass wall seamlessly connects the indoor and outdoor spaces, blurring the lines between them. It's as if the courtyard itself becomes an extension of the living area, offering a constant connection to the natural world. And presiding over this oasis of calm is a magnificent Champa tree. Its majestic presence adds a touch of serenity and a sense of timeless beauty to the courtyard. Imagine relaxing under its shade, enjoying a quiet moment of reflection or sharing laughter with loved ones. This courtyard isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a feeling of well-being. The abundance of natural light fosters a sense of openness and energy, while the connection to nature promotes relaxation and peace. Whether you're seeking a place to unwind after a long day or a space to entertain guests in style, this double-height courtyard is the perfect answer. It's a testament to the power of design to create a haven that nourishes both the body and the soul. This stunning kitchen is a testament to clean lines, functionality, and the beauty of natural materials. The centerpiece of this space is undoubtedly the expansive concrete countertops. Their smooth, cool surface creates a sense of contemporary sophistication, perfect for prepping meals or entertaining guests. But the coolness of the concrete is balanced by the warmth of the integrated wooden cabinetry. The rich tones add a touch of organic elegance and provide ample storage space, ensuring everything has its designated place. Look up! Skylights strategically placed throughout the room bathe the entire space in natural light. This not only makes the kitchen feel brighter and more inviting, but also fosters a connection with the outdoors. Speaking of the outdoors, the open-plan design seamlessly integrates the kitchen with the beautiful garden beyond. Whether you're whipping up a delicious meal or enjoying a cup of coffee, the verdant view adds a touch of tranquility and serenity to your culinary experience. Minimalism reigns supreme in this kitchen. Clean lines, hidden appliances, and uncluttered surfaces create a sense of calm and order. But this doesn't translate to a sterile environment. Every element is carefully chosen to be both stylish and functional. This kitchen isn't just a showpiece, it's a true workspace designed for culinary creation and connection. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual cook, this space inspires you to gather, create, and savor the joy of cooking. As the day progresses and soft light filters through the skylights, the kitchen takes on a warm, inviting ambience. It's a space that transitions effortlessly from a bright and functional workspace to a cozy gathering area. From its sleek design to its embrace of nature, this modern kitchen is the perfect blend of style and functionality. It's an invitation to slow down, savor the moment, and create culinary memories that last a lifetime. Step into a sanctuary of light and texture. This elegant dining area transcends the ordinary, marrying the coolness of concrete with the warmth of natural light. Imagine intimate gatherings bathed in the glow of the setting sun. The minimalist table becomes a canvas for culinary artistry, each plate a masterpiece. This space isn't confined by walls. The open concept allows nature to become part of the experience. Breathe in the fresh air, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin. The cool concrete floor provides a grounding counterpoint to the warmth of the wood and the vibrancy of the garden. Its imperfections add a touch of character, a reminder of the natural world. This oasis of calm invites serenity. Disconnect from the outside world and savor the company of loved ones in this peaceful haven. This dining space isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating memories. It's a place to gather, to connect, and to celebrate life's precious moments. As the day fades, the ambience transforms. The space takes on a new charm, perfect for intimate conversations and shared laughter. This elegant dining area with concrete walls and floor is more than just a room, it's an experience. It's a place to relax, connect, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Imagine a home that breathes, where the vibrant energy of nature seamlessly blends with modern design. This isn't just a house, it's an oasis. Step inside and be greeted by a symphony of light. Expansive windows and skylights bathe the space in a warm, natural glow. Breathe deeply. Feel the clean air, infused with the subtle fragrance of growing plants. Lush greenery isn't just an accent, it's the heart of this home. Walls are transformed into living canvases adorned with strategically placed planters overflowing with vibrant flora. Notice how the vertical gardens not only add a touch of the tropics but also act as natural air purifiers. The flow is effortless. Living spaces seamlessly transition into green havens. A reading nook nestled amongst cascading ferns. A breakfast bar with herbs growing right at your fingertips. Imagine the joy of snipping fresh basil for your morning eggs. This isn't just a houseplant collection, it's a connection. A constant reminder of the natural world, a source of peace and tranquility. Listen to the gentle rustle of leaves as you unwind after a long day. This isn't just a trend, it's a way of life. Imagine waking up to the soft chirping of birds attracted to your rooftop garden. Picture hosting barbecues on the patio surrounded by fragrant flowers. This interior garden isn't just beautiful, it's functional. It helps regulate temperature, provides soundproofing, and even improves your mood. Studies have shown that surrounding yourself with nature can reduce stress and boost creativity. This is the future of living. A place where the lines between indoors and outdoors blur. Where nature becomes an extension of your home, a constant source of inspiration and well-being. Wouldn't you love to experience this for yourself? Imagine the possibilities. This is more than a house, it's a sanctuary. It's a connection to nature, brought right to your doorstep. Have you ever dreamt of a home that seamlessly blends the beauty of nature with modern design? A place where the outdoors feels like an extension of your living space, and tranquility washes over you with every step? Well, look no further. Imagine waking up to the gentle rustle of leaves and the vibrant colors of a flourishing garden just outside your window. This isn't just any backyard, it's a verdant oasis, a personal sanctuary waiting to be explored. The key to this harmonious connection lies in the design itself. Expansive glass walls blur the lines between indoors and outdoors, creating a sense of openness and light. Step inside, and the lush greenery becomes an ever-present backdrop, a reminder of the natural world just beyond. But the beauty doesn't stop there. Exposed concrete walls lend a modern touch, providing a neutral canvas for pops of color and natural textures. Sunlight streams through the large openings, bathing the interior in a warm, inviting glow. This interplay of light and space creates a serene and tranquil atmosphere. Imagine curling up with a good book on a plush couch, the gentle hum of nature providing the soundtrack. Or picture yourself hosting intimate gatherings, the conversation flowing as effortlessly as the light through the windows. And when the mood strikes, step outside onto the expansive deck, a perfect spot for al fresco dining, morning yoga, or simply enjoying the fresh air. This seamless connection between indoors and outdoors allows you to truly embrace the California lifestyle. This is more than just a house, it's a haven, a place of peace and rejuvenation. It's an invitation to reconnect with nature, all from the comfort of your own home. So, if you're looking for a home that inspires tranquility and celebrates the beauty of the outdoors, look no further. This oasis awaits. A haven of tranquility, a minimalist master bedroom designed to soothe the soul. Imagine waking up to soft morning light filtering through a vast skylight, casting a warm glow on the cool elegance of exposed concrete walls. The room embraces a minimalist approach, where clean lines and uncluttered spaces reign supreme. The backdrop is a cool, industrial canvas of polished concrete walls, their smooth surface a testament to modern design. But fear not, for this space is far from cold. Warmth is woven in through the strategic use of rich wooden accents. Notice the sleek lines of the low-profile wooden bed frame, inviting you to sink into a world of rest. A simple nightstand, crafted from the same warm wood, offers a touch of functionality without compromising on minimalism. The piece de resistance of this haven is undoubtedly the expansive skylight that graces the west wall. Throughout the day, it bathes the room in natural light, creating a dynamic interplay of light and shadow. Imagine curling up with a good book on the inviting built-in seating nestled directly beneath the skylight. Picture yourself basking in the warm afternoon sun, losing yourself in the pages while the gentle breeze carries the calming sounds of nature. But the tranquility doesn't end there. As you turn your gaze away from the captivating sky, your eyes are drawn to a picture-perfect view that unfolds beyond a large window. A vibrant garden, bursting with lush greenery and pops of color, beckons you to connect with nature's serenity. Whether it's the gentle sway of leaves or the calming presence of a trickling water feature, the garden view adds another layer of peace to this minimalist masterpiece. This minimalist master bedroom is a testament to the power of simplicity. It's a space where every element has been carefully considered, creating a haven of serenity that allows you to unwind, recharge, and reconnect with yourself. Let the soft glow of natural light and the calming presence of nature lull you into a state of complete relaxation. This minimalist masterpiece is your sanctuary, a place where you can truly find peace. A bathroom that's more than just a functional space. A place of tranquility where every detail is designed to soothe and inspire. This modern Ensuit is a sanctuary of light and serenity. Concrete, often an industrial material, takes on a whole new meaning here. The smooth, polished surfaces create a clean and contemporary feel, softened by the warmth of natural light pouring through the skylights above. Nature plays a key role in this design. Pops of wood throughout the space add a touch of warmth and texture. Imagine the smooth feel of the wood beneath your fingers as you step out of a relaxing soak in the tub. The fixtures themselves are a testament to minimalism. Clean lines and uncluttered surfaces create a sense of calm and order. The spacious shower enclosure invites you in for a truly rejuvenating experience. Function doesn't have to come at the expense of style. Ample storage solutions ensure everything has its place, keeping the space clutter-free and serene. Imagine starting your day with a clear, organized vanity, a reflection of the peace you feel within. This bathroom is not just beautiful, it's incredibly functional. The layout is designed for ease of movement, and every element is placed with intention. It's a space that caters to your every need, promoting a sense of well-being and relaxation. The little details truly elevate this space. Perhaps it's the brushed nickel on the faucets, a touch of patterned tile on the floor, or a statement pendant light that adds a touch of personality. These details come together to create a space that's not only functional but also visually captivating. Imagine starting your day feeling refreshed and rejuvenated in this tranquil space. A place to unwind after a long day, to pamper yourself, and to simply be. This modern Ensuit bathroom is more than just a room. It's an experience. A space that promotes relaxation, self-care, and a connection with nature. It's a reflection of your personal style and a haven for peace and tranquility. Transform your daily routine with this modern Ensuit bathroom. A space designed to nurture your well-being and create a sanctuary for your soul. A living space that seamlessly blends the comfort of home with the vibrancy of nature. This isn't just a living room, it's an invitation to connect with the outdoors. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls erase the boundaries between interior and exterior. Step outside and you're greeted by a private oasis, while inside, the feeling of nature's embrace is ever present. The clean lines of the polished concrete floor create a sense of modern simplicity. It's a cool yet versatile canvas for pops of color and texture. The centerpiece of the room is a sculptural concrete coffee table. Its smooth surface and geometric form add a touch of contemporary elegance. Built-in wooden seating adds warmth and a touch of rustic charm. Imagine cozy evenings curled up with a good book, bathed in the soft glow of natural light. Speaking of natural light, this space is a haven for it. Large windows flood the room with sunshine, while a unique circular skylight adds a playful touch and allows the sun's rays to dance on the walls throughout the day. As the sun moves across the sky, the interplay of light and shadow creates a captivating, ever-changing spectacle. This isn't just a living room, it's a sensory experience. A place to relax, connect, and be inspired by the beauty of the natural world, all from the comfort of your own home. This stunning terrace, perched on the upper level of a modern home, offers a sanctuary for relaxation and connection with nature. The design prioritizes clean lines and a seamless indoor-outdoor experience. The cool, polished concrete flooring flows effortlessly from the master bedroom and gym, blurring the boundaries between interior and exterior spaces. Unobstructed views are paramount here. Minimalist railings provide safety without compromising the breathtaking panorama. Imagine waking up to the gentle breeze and the vibrant colors of your garden greeting you. This inviting terrace isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating a functional space for unwinding. The built-in concrete bench provides a comfortable and stylish spot to soak up the sun, enjoy a cup of coffee, or simply lose yourself in a good book. These expansive glass doors blur the lines even further. When open, they create a truly immersive experience, inviting the natural light and fresh air into the adjoining rooms. When closed, the terrace becomes an extension of your living space, offering a tranquil escape at any time. As the day fades, the terrace transforms into a magical setting for an intimate gathering under the stars. String lights or strategically placed lanterns create a warm and inviting ambience, perfect for a romantic evening or a cozy get-together with friends and family. This versatile space caters to a variety of needs. Whether you crave a morning yoga routine with a refreshing view, a moment of peaceful meditation amidst nature's symphony, or simply a quiet corner to lose yourself in a captivating book, this terrace provides the perfect setting. This terrace isn't just an outdoor space, it's an extension of your well-being. It's your personal oasis, a place to reconnect with nature, find serenity, and create lasting memories. Let this tranquil haven become your escape from the everyday, a space where you can truly unwind and embrace the beauty that surrounds you. Escape the ordinary. Imagine a place where clean lines meet nature's embrace. This is modern living redefined. A smooth, contemporary facade sets the stage. Polished concrete whispers of modern elegance, a canvas for the sun's playful dance throughout the day. But the magic unfolds as you step closer. Shimmering water stretches towards the horizon, an infinity pool that blurs the line between interior and exterior. Sunbeams dance on its surface, a mesmerizing invitation to cool down and unwind. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels dissolve the barrier between indoors and the lush world outside. Light streams in, bathing the space in a warm glow, while the verdant landscape becomes a living painting. Inside, the philosophy of less is more reigns supreme. Clean lines and uncluttered surfaces create a sense of calm and focus. Every detail is meticulously chosen, a testament to both form and function. But the story doesn't end within the walls. Lush greenery wraps around the house, a symphony of textures and colors. Stepping outside feels like entering a private sanctuary, a haven where nature soothes the soul. The seamless flow between indoors and outdoors invites effortless entertaining. Imagine balmy evenings spent under the stars, the poolside seamlessly transforming into an extension of the living space. In this haven, tranquility reigns supreme. The soft sounds of nature become the soundtrack to your life, a constant reminder to slow down and savor the moment. This is more than a house, it's a sanctuary, a canvas for creating memories that will last a lifetime. Welcome to modern living, redefined. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of minimalist living. We hope it has inspired you to create your own tranquil haven.